thing.
All right, so how do you do
I
it?
can't find your little brushes. I can use this.
Ma'am, could you explain how to take this apart?
And this.
We're waiting. But apparently these just pop off. You just pop them to the side. And yep, they do. They just pop off.
And you lift this
They
out.
fit on there pretty tight.
Yeah,
And I don't see any filter in here.
there is. Then we lift this out.
All right, let's see this thing.
Then we do take this apart
Oh, look at that mess.
and clean all that.
Okay, so how do you do that? Do you squirt it?
Well, let's have to look.
All right, let's figure it out. Put that back where it was at. Okay, so we got to pull this out.
So we lifted the top off and we pull this out.
And then you pop
I'm just
that.
going to dump that water.
Okay,
And we pop this all apart.
okay. That comes out of there and that's got to be
Filter we're
clean.
gonna wash. Open.
It opens?
It says open. I assume it slides open.
All right, hang on before we break it.
This comes
You got to be strong.
apart, but I don't want to break it.
Pull it.
It's stuck on that side. My hands are wet. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know.
Well, this thing's really heavy. Super heavy. All right, now you can do it. You can do it. Pull it. Pull it. What the hell? Maybe you have to
I
push
don't want
this.
this to break.
Maybe
Hold
you
on
got to
to
push
this.
this. It says open.
You saw how she grabbed it.
There, right there. See
I
it?
know. It did that before. Then it
So
stopped.
now you got to smack it. All right, hang on just a second. Hang on. Here's our dilemma. We're having trouble getting this apart. So I'm pushing it here, and it's kind of snapping. You see that? But it's not coming apart.
Your hands
And
are
it's
wet,
supposed
too.
to come right off of there. So the question is,
You can't pull this thing. It'll break.
am I
So you want
supposed to
get something
push
in there, like a
harder?
knife?
Maybe I can get, here, put a little crack in there and then just twist it a little bit. There you go. There we go, we got it. And we didn't cut off our fingers. Now we gotta pop this out. And in the thing, they showed them doing it like this. So I think we got, see there's a little tab right there? So I'm gonna put this little thing under there and then pop it like that. And that's how it comes apart. So go ahead.
So then we pull this off of here. We pop this out of the top. And then we pull this little filter out of here.
Or you mean a fan, that's a
Oh,
fan.
Fan filter or
So
something.
you gotta get it. So go slow, go slow.
Let's see if this is thinner.
Yeah, go slow though. You gotta turn it so I can see.
It did start to come out. There.
There you go, now you got
So
it.
we pull this out of that.
Okay.
And then,
So what do we gotta do, wash that?
I think,
I mean, that looks pretty
Turn it
clean,
off.
this whole
turn
thing.
it off so I can do it.
So we gotta wash everything. We got these little brushes.
Doesn't even look like it's dirty, so.
I know, this thing looks like we didn't even need to take it apart. That looks pretty good. All right, let's do another part. We need a little piece of paper. We'll put all the clean ones there.
That's
Okay, that's clean. All right, so now this thing.
What's that?
That looks good. I mean, that doesn't even look dirty.
I know, there's the slightest bit of stuff on it, I guess.
Okay, set
And
that
they
over
give you
here.
a little brush.
I think you don't use. There we go. Okay, that looks good. So these are all the parts of this thing. Here. Doing good. Okay, and we got one last part. This is the big one. So you got to be careful when we do this one, because you don't want to screw up that interior part there. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, I think that.
So you gotta try to get in those corners.
Well,
I mean, does it?
I see
does
that little
water
bit of
get?
pink
I
color.
think it looks.
Let me see if I can find the brushes that come with it.
So you're trying to get down into deep in those corners. You see right here, in here, and then in here. That looks pretty clean though. So basically this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, these are the dock stream replacement filters. So these are the ones that come with this. So you've got these things that go in this. See, that's the old one, and this is the ones that go here. All right. So we got what we need. So my honey's using a thing for your ear. What do you call those?
Really?
They're
Q-tips.
ear Q-tips. Yeah, I forget what they're called. I couldn't think of the name. I'm losing my mind. All right, I think that's good. Let's put this thing back together. Oh, you got to clean that. You got to smush it. Now she's electing to clean this instead of putting a new one in. So next we're going to clean this and we're going to clean this. First, let's wash that out. That's the part where the water squirts out. All right, that's good. I don't think you need to do a million Q-tips on it.
That's what the brush is for, Tony.
Well, you know, you lost the brush. What can I say?
It's in there somewhere.
All right, that's good. So this comes with a brush, thing, but we couldn't find it, so we're using Q-tips. All right, looks good. She's an overachiever.
Does this come out?
No, it doesn't. It's one piece. One piece, Dad.
Oh, it looks like it's not one piece.
Well, you want to pull it apart because they don't...
No, I'm not, because...
We got to get this filter out of here. So how do you think you do that? You push it from your fingers underneath? Nope. So I guess you got to pull it. Oh, there we go. So how'd you do that? Oh, okay. So she just pushed through this hole and it pops right out. So we can get rid of that. Let's throw that in the garbage. That goes in the garbage. All right, now we just got to clean that. And I think we can use our little brush.
It doesn't really get in there.
All right, she's going to use Q-tip. Okay. Looks pretty clean. All right. She is very efficient and thorough. Not going to leave one stone unturned. All right, looks good. Now remember, it's going to be filling with water anyway, so I don't know if we need to dry it. Now we got to clean this out. It looks pretty clean in there. I guess we're going to use some soap. Now, if you do use soap, make sure you get all the soap out of it before you put it back together because the cat won't drink from it. That's soapy. Just a tip. Cat tip. Catnip. Oh, that's amazing. All right. Looking good.
There you go, on there.
Looks like it was some tape or something on there.
Yeah.
Some packaging. Okay. I think we can turn the water off now.
Wait, no.
Why? What do you need to do now?
I see residue in here,
Oh, Jesus.
which is why you use the brush.
Well, I think it was your duty to find that brush. I don't know anything about the brush. So,
All right, that's it.
all right, now turn the water off.
No, you fill it up first,
Why?
because we fill it up.
Why do you fill it up with water?
Because you fill it up with water. It's filtered water,
The whole thing?
the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Apparently you filled this up with water.
How do you think it? What do you
How
think
far
this-
do you fill it?
What do you think this basin is for?
Let me ask you a
Urine?
question. How far do you fill it? Phyllis? All right, I think you're good.
Fill it up to your forehead.
All right, is there like a level on
There's
there?
a level, 2 levels, a
Where?
low level and a higher level.
All right, so we put it to this level. Okay, good. Now, oh Jesus, she never stops cleaning. Like if we're gonna have a cleaning lady come over, she'll clean the house first.
And then that goes
All right,
on,
here we go. Here's your filter.
and a new filter goes in.
Now, do you know how to put it in?
Like this, maybe?
I would think it goes like wherever that hole is. I think you did it right. That's good.
But does this go here or here?
No,
Nope,
because the hole's on
obviously
the
not.
other side.
Obviously it goes this way.
Obviously. Smush it down good. Get it in there. Obviously.
But
Obliviously.
does it smush down or does it
That's
not
it, babe.
smush down? I
That's
think
it.
it just stays like that.
Now you gotta put this thing in.
Now this goes in.
All right, so that's good. Now we gotta put this together. Do you remember how to do it?
No.
All right, so first thing you got to do is put the fan in.
This back in.
So the fan goes in, smush it down. Next, you got to put that cap on, right? And it's very easy. You can see the outline of it. You can see the outline of this. So you see where this protuberance is? There's your protuberance.
That's a big word for you.
Yeah, it's like wheelbarrows, got a lot of letters. You just
I still don't like what that looks like, but whatever.
you just put it on there, yeah, bam. Okay, next, you got to put your thingamabob there. Yep, got to snap it on. And that's, oh, hang on, get that, whatever that was off. All right, now
I'm
we got,
assuming this goes this way.
yep, you got to snap her on. Give it a snap. There you go. Good job. Now you got to shove that thing down in there. All right. Now you got to take this whole top off.
Why?
Because you got to put this thing down there.
And then this thing goes.
Reverse. That way,
I
yeah.
don't remember. Is that right?
Yep, that's how you do
Sure?
it. Yes, I'm
'Cause I wasn't paying
absolutely
attention.
fucking sure. Now you got to put it down in there. All right. So now, because this is going to come up into that hole,
Well, maybe, right?
you got to make sure, see if you can get it. Look,
Well,
look
how are you supposed to
underneath.
do that?
You see the hole there?
Yeah.
Hold it up for a second. Hold this up. So that's going to go in that hole right there. That's why this small part's up.
You're assuming it just fits in there.
I'm pretty sure it does. Look down in there and see if you got it.
I guess if we plug it in, we'll see
Yeah.
if it works.
Should we? No, you got to carry it upstairs. We see that's why we should have waited to fill
Well,
it
it's
up.
not heavy. It's not high. With
Yeah, but I mean, what I'm saying is,
have it. So let's bring it upstairs.
well, you
and
want to
see.
snap her?
No, not until I see if it's in the right place.
Okay, you want to carry it back upstairs all full of water.
Yeah, it's
All right,
not
well,
that-
if that's
it's
the
not
way you
that
want to do it, I mean, you know, you're the boss of me. All right, here we go. So we're going to set her down on there. You just set it down just like that. Oh my God, we got to clean that too because nobody ever gets their mouth near it.
So this is just a vibrating thing.
Apparently. All right, snap her on. Snap it. You can do it. Here, let me help you because you're having.
I just want to make sure that we put this.
Well, that's not going
where
to
it's
work
supposed
unless
to
you
be.
snap it.
Right.
Oh my God.
How do we know it's
Well,
exactly-
the only way you're going to find out is by turning it on. So what you've got to do is snap it down, plug it in, and see if it works. Here, let me hold it down. There you go. That's a girl. Now let's see if it works. Oh yeah, check it out. I guess you did a good job, my pumpkin of love. All right, so that's it right there. Now we have filtered water for the kitty cat. And look, it looks good, huh? It's really running. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos where she tells me how to do stuff.